igniting creativity with Arduino projects. Welcome to the world of electronics, where imagination meets reality. Arduino makes this possible, transforming ideas into tangible projects. Beginners, don't fret. Arduino's user-friendly interface makes it ideal for newcomers. Dive into the ocean of electronics without any fear. From creating a temperature sensing system to a home automation system, possibilities with Arduino are limitless. All you need is a spark of creativity. Analyze the potential of Arduino by examining the projects crafted by students worldwide. Their creativity fused with technical skills results in extraordinary projects. Post-project completion, it's not just a working model you hold, but a journey of exploration, problem-solving, and satisfaction you ventured through. Grab your Arduino today and step into the world of endless possibilities. Create, innovate, and make a mark in the technological world. Subscribe, like, and let the Arduino adventures begin. Happy making!